Hi guys, this is Titan Power Battery. Today I'm gonna take a video to show everybody how many meters does the integrated BMS support remote control the battery pack. So this is our standard 12.8 volt 100 ampere hours LiFePro4 battery pack and loaded with a 12 volt 30 watts LED lights module. So with the connected already the smartphone apps, we can check the remote control for the moment. This is the control panel of the app. Tap the switch on, the lights on. Tap the switch off, the lights off. And we already preset 3 points, which is 6 meters, 10 meters, and 50 meters. I'm gonna test it now. Let's check it out. Okay, this is the 6 meters away from the battery pack. Let's check. Tap the switch on, the lights on. Tap the switch off, the lights off. Let's go to the next point. Yeah, here. This is the second point, 10 meters away from the battery pack. Let's check. Tap the switch on, the lights on. Tap the switch off, the lights off. Works fine so far. Let's go even further. Okay, close the wall. It's about 15 meters away from the battery pack. Let's check. Tap the switch on, the lights on. Tap the switch off, the lights off. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.